Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today we are going to be doing another KnitCrate review. This is for September 2018. They actually have a fun little game you can play. I'm going to tell you guys all about that. So this month is pretty exciting for KnitCrate. Before we get into all this, I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. And when I say that, I know it just sounds like I just spew it out. But what I mean is, every time you give one of my videos a thumbs up, it helps me out tremendously. Every time you leave a comment, I don't care what the comment is, every time a comment is left on any of my videos, it helps me out tremendously. And of course, when you share my videos, that really, really helps me out. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who does that. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would do that now and click the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and that's how my channel will grow. Okay, so there are links in the description below. Facebook, Instagram, my merch store, all that you can find down below. But right now, we are talking about KnitCrate, and this is, like I said, September 2018. And the things they have going on this month is kind of fun. But first, we're going to open up this crate and see what kind of yarn I got. Of course, I already know because it's like the first thing I do when I get this little box in my mailbox is open it up immediately because I'm so excited. We're opening. And when you open, you're greeted with this. And this month, they have 2 booklets. And we're going to go over the booklets. But first, look at the yarn. We're going to go over what kind of yarn this is, but look how pretty. It's such a pretty green. It reminds me of the forest. I love it. Anyways, we'll go over that in a minute. First, I want to go over these booklets because this is the first time they've done 2 booklets. If you remember last month, they did like an actual booklet with all the patterns, which was really nice. This month, there's 2. There is one for the knitting pattern and there's one for the crochet. So you get like your own little booklet, whether you knit or crochet. So let's just read about it and see what they have to say. The month's theme is dash dot dash, and I actually read this and I think it's really cool on why dash dot dash is. I will tell you. It says this month's theme focuses on a modern palette with a graphic twist. Dusty tones play off wearable designers and beautifully dyed yarns. This Morse code missive dash dot dash is the letter K for KnitCrate. Isn't that exciting? I never knew that. Like, Morse code, I know nothing about Morse code, but dash dot dash stands for the letter K, which is for KnitCrate. It is our sign off on what is sure to be a singular set of September crates. So yeah, it's like their own little booklet, and this is, like I said, for the knitting pattern. And when you open it up, it tells you about the designer, it tells you about the yarn, and of course you can download the pattern. Or, if you don't want to download the pattern, because it's right here for you guys, again, this whole pattern is written out. And again, it is charted. So if you're not familiar with charts, you can knit something else with this beautiful yarn. Or you can learn how to read charts. I have not yet learned how to read charts. So, yeah. I'm trying to see if it's all written out, like step by step. Yeah, I think you have to read a chart in order to do this pattern. But like I said, you can either learn how to read charts, or if you don't know how to read charts, here you go. Or you can just make something else if you want to knit something with this beautiful yarn. Now this one is the crochet pattern, and I don't know if I showed you. Let me just show you. This was the picture of the knit pattern. Very pretty. That's the exact same color yarn that I got this month. But, okay. Crochet pattern. It says the same exact thing on the front as it did on the knit booklet. And again, it tells about the designer. It tells where you can download the pattern if you want. But again, you don't have to download the pattern because it's written out for you. And this is the crochet pattern, so it is all written out. No graphs, no charts, nothing like that. And this is what this pattern looks like this month for the crochet. Very nice. Very, very nice. But now let's get in to the star of the box, and that would be the yarn. And it is so, so soft, you guys. Let me just take it out of here. Let me just hold it up to the camera so you guys can see the beautiful color. It is just a beautiful like green, like an I can talk today. Ombre green. Thank you. An ombre green color, and it's very, very soft. We're going to read about it. It is a tapenade. So I don't know what tapenade is. If you know what tapenade is, leave it down below in the comments, because I want to say it's like a spread that you can put on like stuff. I don't know. A tapenade. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's like made with garlics and capers. That could be totally wrong. Again, I don't know. I don't really know culinary stuff. But anyways, it might not even be a food. Tapenade. I'm sure it is though. I don't know. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure you will. This is, you get 329 yards. It is 70% superwash merino wool, 20% silk, and 10% cashmere. It is a sport weight, so a DK weight, or a 3 light weight. The suggested needle size is a 3.75, all the way up to a 4.5 millimeter. It is, for best results, it does recommend that you wash by hand and lay it out flat to dry. So, not machine washable, but super, super soft, super nice color, and it's a DK weight, and it's cashmere, silk, and merino wool. What a blend, right? Now, what I want to tell you about this yarn is you can go to KnitCrate.com. There is a link in the description below. I want you to check out that link anyway, because there is actually a fun little thing going on their website this month. But if you go there, you can just buy skeins of yarn or hanks of yarn. You don't have to subscribe to their monthly KnitCrate membership yarn subscription box. You don't have to. But I will tell you that if you just want one hank of this yarn or any of their yarns, it's $24 a hank, roughly, usually. Or you could just subscribe to the KnitCrate membership, because there's 3 different crates, I think, right now, maybe 4. I don't know. You'd have to check it out on the website. Again, a link in the description. But you can get this. This is the KnitCrate membership. KnitCrate membership, and it comes with 2 hanks of yarn. It comes with a knit pattern and a crochet pattern, and it's $24.99, and that includes shipping. And shipping is everywhere. If you live on Earth, they will ship it to you for $24.99, like total. Like, I can't stress that enough. Like, shipping is the same for everyone. If you live in the US, if you live in China, if you live wherever, like, shipping will be the same. So keep that into consideration, especially if you're like not in the US. You're not going to pay a boatload for shipping. It's going to be the exact same price that I would pay here in the US. So I think that's a pretty good deal in itself, because sometimes people pay more in shipping than they do the actual product. This time, so you will get 2 hanks of yarn. Remember, each one of these is $24. You'll get a knit pattern and a crochet pattern, which these are usually $5 each. And you get it all for $24.99. Again, that is the KnitCrate membership. They do have a artisan crate, which comes with a lot more yarn. It is more expensive. And they do have a sock crate. And I want to say a sock artisan crate, but I'm not sure if they have that this month. I'm pretty sure they do, though. Again, link in the description below. Check out their website. And just choose the plan you want. You can't go wrong, especially if you don't live near a yarn store or somewhere where you can get premium yarns. Because let me tell you, you're not going to get this kind of yarn at a Walmart, a Michael's, a Joann's, a Hobby Lobby. It's not going to happen. You're not going to find it there. This is just really nice yarn. And like I said, for the price, it's a great, great value. What else did I want to talk to you guys about? Their website, yes. When you click the link that is below in the description, it'll take you to their website. And this month they have something super fun going on. I will actually show you on my phone. It does work on mobile, but it's probably better to do on the computer, but it does work on mobile. What it has you do is when you go to their website, this will pop up eventually. This is like so professional. I'm just showing you my phone. But anyways, enough of that. This will pop up and they want you to put in your email address. And when you put in your email address and it says, try your luck, you click that and it's like the Wheel of Fortune yarn, I think. I don't know what they're calling it, but you can get really good deals. Like you can get $10 off a subscription or a membership. You can get free shipping. You can get $25 off an Artisan Crate. And I believe Artisan Crates are $39 and some change, $39.99 maybe. But you'll get $25 off an Artisan Crate, and that is if the little, you know, the Wheel of Fortune. But there are things on there that says no yarn luck today and sew, stitch, and close. So it's not guaranteed that you're going to win anything. But there's good news, because say you spin that wheel and you land on no luck today, you can always use my coupon code, which is nervous20, and you can use that at checkout, and that will save you 20% off your first month subscription. Now, so there's no confusion. If you do spin the wheel and you get something grand, like, what do they have here? $10 off a membership or $25 off an Artisan Crate. If you get one of those, do not use my coupon code, because my coupon code will kick out that coupon code. Do you understand what I'm saying? So only use my coupon code if you lose. I think that is clear enough. So if you spin the wheel and lose, use my coupon code. I promise I'm there for you. 20% off your first month. But if you win, use their code, because it's probably a better deal. Alright, so that is what's going on with their website. Check it out. Again, there are different colorways for this month, and when you go to their website, you'll see the different colorways for the KnitCrate membership. There's 4 different colors this month, I think. I believe, maybe. I don't know. I look at, hey, I can look here. That's what I'll do. I'll see how many colorways they have going for this month. They have 4 different colorways that you could receive this month. Now, you don't get to choose your color. If you don't get to choose your color. It's kind of just like a surprise. They box up your little box for you. They send it to you and you're just, wow, I got green this month. I could have gotten blue, red, or purple, but I got green, which I think is really nice. Anyway, I love all their colors. But go to their website. Again, link in the description below. Here, I can show you, because I'm so professional. I'm going to show you on my cell phone like a real YouTuber. No, that's not how they do it. They usually have their computer hooked up to their camera, but I don't know how to do that. So we got my cell phone here. So here is the KnitCrate membership. That's what you can get. This is so hacky and funny because I don't care, you guys. I'm just being myself today. I'm not trying to impress anyone. I love you all, but if you don't like me for me, then you just don't like me. I can't pretend to be something I'm not. Okay, enough rambling. Here is the sock crate. That's the colorway for the sock crate. So professional here. And here's the Artisan Crate. See, you could get like, with the Artisan Crate, you could get either one of those colors. They have the 3 different colors. You could get either one of those or any one of those. I believe you get 2 skeins of yarn, 2 knit patterns, 1 beginner and 1 intermediate. A crafty goodie, 1 fun and crafty goodie for yarn enthusiasts. And plus you get 25% off our member central shop. So again, that is $39.99 for their Artisan Crate. And then you get the sock Artisan Crate, or you can choose from the sock Artisan Crate. And here are the different choices for that. So yeah, again, super professional here, showing you my phone and all the options. Just click the link below and look at it for real on your own cell phone or your own computer and see which one you want. Spin that wheel, see if you win. And remember, if you don't win, use my code NERVOUS20. It'll save you 20% off your first month. But if you do win, I'm trying to explain this to you guys. If you do win, don't use my code. If you win something on that little Wheel of Fortune thingy, don't use my code, because that will throw out that code that you just won. So just stick with that. Only use my code if you lose. Again, 20% off. Alright, so that was this month's KnitCrate, guys. For me anyway. Check it out in the description below. Again, I will repeat myself. The link is in the description below if you want to go check out KnitCrate and see what kind of cool yarn they have. Again, you don't have to just buy their crates. You can check out their other things. They have other things on their shop. It's like a little drop-down menu. It'll say shop, and then you can choose from yarns or patterns or whatever else they have going on there. And you can do that as well. You can use my nervous code. You can use my coupon code NERVOUS20 when checking out, when you're just buying whatever on the shop. I believe it'll still work. But anyways, that was my video today, you guys. Do you guys get KnitCrate? Have you already signed up? If you did, let me know what color you got this month or what you receive. And if you haven't yet signed up for KnitCrate, you should try it out for just 1 month. I don't think you will be disappointed because it is super soft, nice, squishy yarn. It's silk, it's cashmere, it's merino wool. How can you go wrong? Okay, guys, that is my video for today. I really hope you liked it because I'm just being myself today. I'll always be myself. I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you all. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. And give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. Today, I'm making this video and it's raining. So I'm not doing anything else. So let me know and yeah, subscribe. And that's going to be it. So, until next time, guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye!